How to update your location on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Hello Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can update your location on Spotify. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser, and on the browser you want to search in for spotify.com/account. You want to simply type in spotify.com/account, and here you'll be headed into Spotify account overview. You want to make sure log into your account, and next thing you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. And once you do so, you'll be on account overview. You scroll down below here, you'll get various options. Right now, what you want to do is you want to tap on this account overview option that you can see below the Spotify option there. So if you tap on it, you'll get list of options. You want to simply tap on edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, you'll be getting an interface like this, and down below you can see country or region. You want to simply tap on it, and you can see here you won't be able to change it. Right now, in order to change it, what you can do is you can head up and tap on edit profile, and here you want to tap on the saved payment cards option. And here, if you have saved your payment cards, you want to tap on add card, and you want to add a card, and there you'll be able to update your card region, and your location will be updated as well. So this way you can update your location on Spotify. It is the only way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.